Okay, guys, so welcome. Let us proceed right now. Now, first of all, I want to welcome you to my channel. And if you have not subscribed, please, I urge you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell icon so that you get to be notified when I make interesting videos such as this. So initially, I showed in the first video how you can install Pixel in your website. And I said that the Pixel is simply a code you install in your website which helps you to track events happening in your website, and also it helps you to do retargeting. And when you retarget people, the ad cost becomes super cheap because Facebook now knows the people they need to target. So when we started initially, we installed Pixel on this website, and then using the first method. In this second method, I'm going to show you how to also install Pixel. I've removed the Pixel for you to see that we don't have any Pixel here now, so that I can show you the second method. So let me refresh this. As you can see, there's no Pixel here. Now in this web page, as you can see here, there's no Pixel. All these web pages, there's no Pixel. So I want to also show us something. Now, in the first video we did, you can see the Pixel which we installed, purchase, page view. And you can see that this Pixel already, remember I told you before I installed it before I now used it for this tutorial. These pixels are already captured 4,400 persons that have performed activity on that website. So if I'm to retarget these people now, it's going to be super cheap for me. And so far you have performed an action on my website. Once I retarget, you must see my advert. Whether you like it or not, you must see my advert. And secondly, the advert is going to be super cheap. The ad cost is going to be super cheap. So running Facebook advert when you have a website without a Pixel is a waste of money. That is the truth, is a waste of money. So I'm going to show you the second way how you can do that. Remember that we are using our WordPress website to do that. And when we started, we installed two plugins. If you can remember, we installed the code snippet, that is insert header and footer, and the Pixel your site. We have used the code snippet, which is insert header. Now the second method we are going to use is the Pixel your site. But before we do that, you need to go back to your business account manager. You already know how to create your Pixel. So look at the Pixel I'm going to use, this Pixel right now. So it's very important you know the Pixel you are using. And I told us before, when you are creating your Pixel, create the Pixel with the name you can remember. For example, if you're running an advert for perfume, for example, perfume, you can say perfume Pixel so that you know that this Pixel is targeting perfume. All right. So this is the Pixel. Now in the first method, remember that we used this, we clicked here, this manage integration, new integration, and then we were able to copy the sets of code which we installed in the header of our website. And I said you can also come here to add events and then add new integration. But that is not what we are going to do in this second method. In this second method, all we are going to do is just to copy this data ID. Look at this data ID here. This is what you need to copy. That is it. You copy it. Once you copy, just click on it. It will say copy to keyboard. Then come back to your WordPress website. Okay? Follow me gradually, guys. Come back to your WordPress website. Then go to the plugin that you have installed, this Pixel your site. Click on the Pixel your site, all right? Once you click on it, it will open up. That is the plugin we are going to use. Then you're going to see your Meta Pixel, which was formerly Facebook Pixel, all right? So this is what you're going to click. Just click on this, click settings, click for settings, click on it, on this Facebook. Now, listen carefully. If this enable advanced matching is on here, but if by any means it is off, please turn it on. Then come down here, you see where they said Meta Pixel, formerly Facebook Pixel ID. Remember, it is now data ID, dataset ID. I told us before that it was Pixel, but for whatever reasons, Facebook has changed the name to dataset. So it is the data ID, which I copied. Then come over to your WordPress website, paste it here. All right, paste it here. Remember, this is the website we are installing it. Let me refresh it again for you to see there is no pixel here again. There is no pixel, but I'm going to install this pixel. You can see no pixel. All right, so I've installed it. Sorry guys, so I've installed it. This is it. I've pasted it here. Then the next thing you need to do is just to come down here and click save what settings. That's all you need to do. As you can see, this second method is super easy compared to the first one. The first one is also easy. It depends if you can find your way around it, but the video is super simple that you will understand it. So I've saved it. Let me come back here and refresh. So let's refresh and see if our pixel is installed. All right, boom, as you can see, this is our pixel. It's now page view. Can you see? Now it is saying that the plugin we use here is Pixel Your Site. Am I communicating? So this is it. So that's all you need to do. That's all you need to do. Now remember that in this website right now, what we just did was anyone who opens it view the website, but we want to give Facebook a specific action. What action are we looking for here? Is it lead? Is it purchase? Depending on the type of campaign you are running. If you're running a lead campaign, that means you are doing lead ads. So let's start with lead. I want anyone who performs any action, not just opening this website. Yes, you have seen it, but you have not performed any action. If you click on this button, I want you to be profiled as lead. That is what I want. So all I need to do is to go back to my WordPress dashboard, okay? Then come back to this meta pixel. You know I've got here. Come to your plugin, click on the Pixel Your Site, and then this will open up. Then click on this settings, click on it. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on events. Click on events. Let's wait for it. Now it has opened, events has opened. Now, if by any means as well, this enable events is off, please put it on, toggle it on. I've toggled it on. Then all you need to do is just to come down. You want to add an event to this website. And what is that event? You want to add a lead event. Am I communicating, guys? Okay, remember we only have one pixel here, which is page view. So by the time we add the lead event, we are going to see it. Come over here, then click on add event. Click on add event. All right, then click on add event. So it's going to open up. Now what is the title of the event? Remember, I want to run a lead campaign. I'll say lead ad campaign. I'm just saying that's what I want to run. Okay, lead ad campaign. Or I can say Amazon lead campaign. Lead campaign, Amazon lead campaign. That is what I want. Then here, fire when the person visits this page. When the person visits this page and performs action, this pixel should be fired. Okay, it should collect the data. So that is it. Leave this thing to 0 with the delay. Leave it to 0. Now the URL. So here in the URL, all you need to do is just come back to this, the particular web page you are using. Copy this log right here. Copy this log. Okay, copy this log. Copy it. Then come back to this place. Paste it here. Paste it. All right. Then is there any other thing? Okay. Then come down here on this Facebook. Toggle it on, enable on Facebook. If you don't enable it on Facebook, it will not come up. What is the event type? Remember, the event type is you are running a lead campaign. Am I communicating? You are running a lead campaign. Then come here, click on it, then search for this is lead. That is all you need to do. Okay, guys? Then you come down here and click on save event. So once this is saved, we are going to refresh the website, and then we check if actually our pixel is firing. Okay, remember formerly it was just one. We need to see 2 events here. So let us refresh. Let's refresh this. Okay, so if your network is okay, it's going to pop up. As you can see here, 2. We have 2 lead events. We have 2 events now. Page, that is lead event, and page view. So if you click on this lead, you can see that we now have lead once anyone performs action here, it will be profiled as what? Lead. Okay? Now, I want to also tell you something. I want to cut a very premium soap for you. You know, when people are running advert, they don't want to spend money. If you want to run a super cheap ad, you can run a lead campaign, you can run an engagement campaign, collect data, and then retarget. Okay? For those of you who have access to this course, I taught all those stuff. Okay? So even in this website now, if I refresh this website now, you will see that pixel will pop up. Okay? Pixel will pop up. Page view will pop up only on this website because of else log that I use. So what will pop up is page view. Am I communicating, guys? So we've been able to install these pixels, and then we've been able to give Facebook the instruction we want the pixel to do. Let's refresh this again. It should come up. Let's refresh this again. Okay, like I said, this meta pixel sometimes it can just misbehave. So now, how do you also set up a purchase event in your website? Remember, this is lead. Then you want to do for purchase. Maybe this cost now is 11,000 naira, and the campaign I'm running is a purchase campaign. It's not a lead campaign. I want to run for purchase conversion. Okay, so all I need to do is just to come back to my dashboard as well. Remember how we got here? Let me start afresh. Let me come to Pixel Your Site. Click on Pixel Your Site plugin. All right, then it opens up. You come to your Facebook, your meta pixel, formerly Facebook pixel. Click on this for settings, and then what do? Click on events. Okay, click on events. So we want to set up for purchase. So once you click on these events, all you need to do is also follow the same method that I showed. So I'm going to delete this lead campaign. I'm going to remove it. I'm going to delete it so that I can set up a purchase campaign. Am I communicating, guys? All right. So once you come to these events, remember to enable events. Click on enable events, and then come here, add event. All right. So meanwhile, let me refresh this. Remember, I've removed that lead event. If I refresh it, I should have only one pixel here, which is only for what? Page view. As you can see, guys, only page view is here now. Only page view. So once I set up the purchase campaign, what will now show is page view and purchase. So let's go back. So yes, we are here. I clicked on events, enable event. What is the title? All right. So I'm running for purchase campaign. Let me say purchase KDP course. This is the name. So what happens is that here, page fire when they visit this page. So this pixel should fire when they visit this page. I've already said this when I was setting up the lead campaign. I'm just repeating it again. So come down here, also copy the URL slug, copy it, come down to your WordPress, then paste it here. Okay, paste it here. Then click on here, come down, click on enable on Facebook. What type of event? Come down here. Now we want to run purchase. So there are a lot of campaigns depending on what you want to run. All right, so purchase. So once you click on purchase, you need to add the parameters. So come down here, click on add parameters. What is enter value? The cost is 11,000 naira. Okay, currency, select currency, then you search for Nigerian naira. If you didn't see Nigerian naira, simply click custom currency. Okay, what is the content name? Let's say Amazon KDP course. Okay, now what is the value? Enter the value here again, 11,000. All right, so that is all you need to do, guys. Then you come down and click on enable on Facebook. Yes, yes, this is enable on Facebook. We've enabled it. Good. Then come down here and what? Save. Come down here and save. So let's wait for it to save. So if your network is okay, it has saved. Then let's come back and remember we only have this page view, okay, on this particular page. Let us refresh it. Our purchase, it should be here right now. Okay, let's wait for it. Boom, guys, this is it. So super easy. It's very simple. Just come down here, click on it. You can see purchase. Let's click on it. you can see the purchase is showing here. The content name is Amazon KDP. Currency is showing custom. It's supposed to show custom here. Currency is supposed to show custom, okay? Then the value is 11,000 what naira. So guys, this is super easy. Okay, so this is super easy. So let's go back. Let's check the purchase. 11,000. Okay. Currency showing 11,000. It's not supposed to show 11,000. So let's go back here. Currency. Okay. Enter value. So the currency should be NGN. NGN, guys. So NGN. Since we are using custom currency, so our custom currency is NGN. That is Nigerian naira. That's it. So just save up. Save up. So that we want that NGN to be there. Okay. We want that NGN. You understand what I mean, guys? So you need that NGN to be there. So let us refresh again. Let us refresh. Let's refresh this and then see how it goes. Okay. Check on their purchase. Okay. All right. See, the currency is now NGN. Amazon K, that's 11,000 naira. So guys, that is just it. That is just it. So with this, you can be able to install Pixel on your website. And if you are looking for a course on Facebook ads, you don't need to look no further. This is the course you need. It's just 7,500 naira. You can, it will, from beginner to pro level, it will show you almost everything you need to know about what Facebook. In Facebook is dynamic. You can still buy other courses, but this is one of the cheapest courses you can get. And if you also want me to run Facebook ad for you, you can always contact me. All right, come to digicreator.com.ng. you can see my contact here. This is my contact. All right, this is my WhatsApp contact. You can contact me and we can discuss. Please, if you are not serious, please do not contact me. Please do not contact me unless you are serious for me to run a Facebook ad word for you. So guys, if you find value in this course, remember to share this video. All right, send it to your friends. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope I'm not forgetting anything here, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.